Good morning, traders. This is Chris from the tradingmentors.com. Hope you're having a wonderful morning. It's the early morning briefing. It is the 11th of January and it is just coming up to 6:45 in the morning. So pre-London Open, so no volume in the markets. But I just want to clarify for members, for VIP members, for Forex signal groups, for anyone that's thinking about getting into trading for the first time, you must understand the power of parabolic trends. They are the best and most powerful trends you can get in the world. So don't underestimate them. Don't ignore them. Let me just go through some of them, which I mention in the VIP room every afternoon during the New York session. Is that you can see the red flag here on this my watch list. I've got a green flag for Bitcoin, red flag for oil, and any green flags are to the uptrend, parabolic to the uptrend, and red flags downtrend. So very straightforward, and they're the only ones you should be trading, especially if you're just starting out on your trading journey. Please understand that the power of the parabolic trend is really important, and I'm going to show you why. Let's go to the first one, which is Hang Seng. The only indices that is parabolic to the downside. We've got all the sellers in on the left. This is going to 15,654, and we've now got a pullback into high liquidity area. High liquidity area is where it comes back into the 50 EMA and retests it, and that's when we'll be looking to go short. I prefer to see the stochastic overbought. That's my preference, and that's what we call a swing high, for it to go lower back into the trend. Bitcoin is trending now. So in the VIP room, when I say that something is parabolic, please don't ignore it. Trade it. Put your stop here, and then just trail your stop as it goes. My preference, and where I put the signals, is I prefer to see a swing low, but I prefer to see the stochastic oversold. I'm going to show you a couple of those which are getting ready. Oil is parabolic to the downside, but we're waiting for the inflation figures today out from the US. So any US dollar commodities or US dollar pairs will be going pretty much sideways and will not be parabolic. Okay, so let's see what else. So none of the US dollar pairs are parabolic, so they can be completely ignored. Let's go to the pound yen. This is a fantastic example of a parabolic trend in play. So we had the change of character, didn't we, some time ago? Was it the 4th of January? Then we had the 1, 2, 3. That's the 1, that's the 2, and that's the 3. Okay, so there's your trading opportunity as the price comes down into high liquidity. Again, I prefer to see it come down to the 50, but I'm not going to ignore it because of that. I just simply trade it. Euro yen, can you see the pattern here above the 50 EMA? Lots of buyers coming in. Change of character, 1, 2, 3. There's your trading opportunity there. So please don't ignore these opportunities, because when they come in, they make a lot of money. New Zealand yen, you can probably guess this by now, so look out for these opportunities. This is a better trade in my book because it's now retesting the 50 EMA. This is a very high liquidity area, high volume, so the big dogs are going to be coming in at this point, especially when you see this going on in the stochastic. Congratulations to VIP members who got those trades, and again, same for the Swiss yen. So there's a trading opportunity there with a buy signal in the advanced pro charts. There's a pullback. A retest of the 50 there is great. So that's when you get the big move. And a pullback here, which was lovely. A retest, almost a retest of the 50, not quite, but it was good enough. Congratulations if you've got that. Pound Canadian is the other one that is parabolic to the upside. Nice pullback yesterday, I think. And as you can see, these are wonderful. So we're waiting for the inflation data to come out from the US today and tomorrow. So I suspect we won't be trading much in terms of the dollar until it sorts itself out. Canadian Swiss, another pullback into a high liquidity area, and pretty much all the sellers are in, definitely in a downtrend. I'd like to see it break there, but that's okay. We're in very early anyway up here, and we're holding on, so that's good. Euro Swiss into a high liquidity area, not exactly parabolic yet because of the fact that there's a set of buyers coming in. And Aussie Swiss, again a similar situation there. So don't miss these opportunities. Now the markets have settled down a bit since the new year. It's taken a week or so to do it, but once these come in, they are great trading opportunities. So good trading, and I'll be doing the full analysis this afternoon for VIP members.